Fluffy chickpea steam cake. This is a classic Indian breakfast that are served all around this country, but with a twist. It reminds me of one of the dim sum classic Lai Go, but healthier. Whisk together water, sugar, salt, baking soda, oil, lime juice, vanilla essence in a medium mixing jug. In another jug, mix together gram flour, turmeric, and fine polenta. Add flour mixture into liquid and blend until very smooth and airy. If the batter looks too thick, add a little bit of water to get the right consistency. Lightly oil a non-stick tin. Pour over batter. Steam the cake for 20 minutes on medium-high heat. The result should be airy and fluffy. Divide the cake into smaller pieces. Before serving, sprinkle over toasted sesame seeds, coconut chips, and a bit of sugar. I love this and I hope you like it too. See you next time.